Hey guys, today we are going to discuss about Java. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Java is a high-level class-based object-oriented programming language. It used to build softwares for devices all the way from set-top boxes to cloud-native enterprise applications. When you look at the history of Java, in early 1991, James Gosling and his team at Sun Microsystems invented this wonderful language. Key features of Java: simple, portable, robust, secure, platform independent, multi-threaded, dynamic linking, and performance. In a couple of minutes, we'll discuss these features in detail. The first key feature is simple. Yes, you have heard it right, because Java has a very simple syntax and also it is easy to master if you put in some efforts. So, next key feature is portable. Well, you might be wondering how portable is related to Java, right? Well, I got you covered. When you compile the Java source code file, it will be converted to .class file, which contains the bytecode. And this bytecode can be transferred to any platform like Windows, Linux, Unix, which makes the Java a portable language. Out of the box, Java has strong memory management, exception handling, and type checking mechanism, which enables developers to only focus on applications. Java is obviously secure because by default it has class loader, bytecode verifier, and security manager. As we discussed earlier, the compiled source code is called bytecode, and this bytecode is platform independent code because it can run on multiple platforms. And here comes write once, run anywhere, which makes Java a unique language. With this multi-threaded feature, developers can write efficient programs which can perform many tasks simultaneously. Here comes the most anticipated key feature, dynamic linking. Java is a dynamic language because classes are loaded on demand, and it also supports dynamic compilation and garbage collection. It also supports functions from native languages like C, C++. And finally, performance. Java provides high performance with the use of JIT compiler, whereas this compiler compiles only the methods which are being called. This saves time and makes it more efficient. Enough of an exhaustive theory. It's time to make our hands dirty and let's build a simple hello world program. Open your notepads and start hitting the keyboard. As of now, watch the syntax. In our next videos, we are going to detailedly explain all the keywords and the syntax. And I have already installed the JDK and JRE in my machine. In our next videos, we are going to tell you how to install JDK and JRE and also configure the Eclipse IDE. Now I'm going to print the hello world using system.out.println. Now I'm going to close the braces. I'm going to save the file as helloworld.java because Java is a case sensitive. You have to save the file as same name as class name. So I'm going to save as helloworld.java with extension .java. I have created a folder in my Windows C as workspace. You can create any way you want. I have saved the file. I'm going to open my command prompt and I'm going to the path where I have saved the file. I'm going to copy the path. Now I'm going to paste it in the command prompt. Use the command as cd and the path. Now I'm going to compile my source code using javac command. My source code is successfully compiled and I'm going to execute the file using Java file name. Here you can see hello world. It is printed hello world, so it is